Hey guys, it's me Catherine. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do the viral How Lucky Are We board. This type of project is very fun to do with friends or family or with your boyfriend or girlfriend. The types of materials you need for this project is paintbrushes, Mod Podge, a canvas, and photos. You can get these materials at any craft store, and for the photos, you can get any place where they can print out photos. The first step about this project is grab your canvas. After you grab your canvas, you're going to grab your photos and put your photos where you want to locate them. After you locate where you want to put the photos, then you're going to grab Mod Podge and spread out the Mod Podge throughout the canvas. After you put the Mod Podge, you're going to let it dry for 1 to 2 days. After you have let the Mod Podge dry out for a few days, you can grab your letters of How Lucky Are We and start organizing where you want to put the letters. After you have organized your letters, you can start sticking the letters to the canvas, and that's how you do this project of the viral How Lucky Are We. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.